Hello everyone, and today we're going to be learning Russian question words. Всем привет и добро пожаловать на мой канал. And we will be learning Russian question words. So Russian question words include like who, what, when, where, why, how, those sort of question words. Words you can use to get information out of other people, learn what's going on. So first word is who, which is just kto, K-T-O, kto. It means who. Example in a sentence would be Кто ты видишь? Who do you see? Who do you see? Or Кто вы? Who are you? Who are you? What are you doing in my house? Next one we have is what. This one is a little bit different in the way it's pronounced as to how it's spelt. It starts with the ch sound, the ch, but obviously it's not ch-to, it's shto, just shto. So the ch changes into a sh sound. So shto means what? Example would be Что ты видишь? What do you see? Or Что вы видите? What do you see? More formal. Third word, when. This one is когда. And this one means when. So, for example, когда ты видишь он? When did you see him? Or когда вы видите она? When did you see her? Moving on, we have the word for where, which is a lot shorter in Russian, just где. In English it's sort of spelt out in 4 letters because, as we now know, the E makes the ye sound as opposed to just an e sound, so it's not где or gdi, it's где. So, for example, где туалет? Ты знаешь, где туалет? Would be, do you know where the toilet is? Moving on, we have number 5, why. Now there's actually 2 ways to say this. This one is more when you want an answer, and there's another one that you use sort of when you're saying, why me, sort of type thing. So this one is почему. So, почему ты здесь? Why are you here? Or почему это яблоко на стол? And why is the apple on the table? And the other one that is not here is зачем. So зачем is like, why me? Зачем, why? And then почему is like, why did you do this? Почему ты делаешь это? Why did you do this? Moving on, we have the last one in this particular list, which is how, which is just как. It's pretty much the same in Russian as it is in English. The Russian just has a slightly curvier looking K. Как, for example, как ты делаешь? How are you doing? Or как дела? How are you? Как ты? How are you? There's another way of saying how are you. Как дела is more like how are things, and как ты is, or как вы is sort of how are you in specific. That's pretty much everything. Thanks for watching. I will just go over one last couple of things. So bonus words that are not written on the screen would be, for example, how you would answer зачем. So word for because is bonus word. Because is потому что. So it's потому and then что, which means what. So потому что means because. That's how you can answer something. If you were to answer the word, if we go back here, where are we? What? We could answer this with это. So, for example, что это? What is this? Это, and then you would say what it is. Another one would be где. So, to respond to где, you would say, I don't know, here or there, you could say. Here is здесь, and there is tam. So there's some bonus words, 3 or 4 extra bonus words on top of the regular stuff we just went over here. Anyway, that concludes this lesson. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day or night. Poka poka, which means bye bye.